Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you step by step how to find the size of any folder in Google Drive in 2025. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to come on drive.google.com and then log in into your account. Once this step is done, you need to click on the home page and you need to basically select that particular folder, the file size of which you want to find. So let's say I want to find the file size of this particular folder. So you can either click on the three dots right next to it, or you can also right click on this folder in order to see a bunch of these options. Now over here, simply hover over to the folder information, then click on the option of details. Now, as soon as you click on the option of details, if you just scroll down a bit, you will find the size of the folder here. It will give you all of the details over here. You can also click on the option of activity in order to know more about the folder history. So currently this folder is empty, that's why there is no detail is mentioned over here, but most probably you will be able to see the size of your folder listed here in this details section. So this is how you can basically do it. If you face any kind of problem while doing it, you can also try it with another method. For that, you can simply download the Google Drive for desktop. So you can simply search for this query, then click on the first link from Google Workspace. Over here, if you just scroll down, you need to click on the option of download for Windows. Then you need to basically download and install Google Drive in your desktop. After that, once you sync it with your computer, you will get all of the folders inside your computer. So you can right click on any one of these and then again go to the folder information, then again go to the option of details, or if it is in your computer or PC, you can also click on the option of properties as well. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.